So in today's video, we explain how to use cobwebs to get rid of contacts with cobwebs. If you always have contact with cobwebs, so what you need is the web. You get the web as much as you can. You understand? So at night before you sleep, get a charcoal. If you don't want to use charcoal, you can plug your hot plate, like all this electric cooker. You understand? So when it is hot, you remove it. Then you now put this, you remove your clothes, your boxer, everything from you. Then now put this cobweb. You get it enough, put it on that hot plate or on charcoal. Then get a cloth to cover your body. You cover yourself together with the smoke of that web. You understand? So allow the web, the smoke to circulate all over your body. Do it